If your keyboard feels sluggish, you're missing out. Here's why Gateron Milky Yellow switches are a game changer. These switches are the ultimate upgrade for your mechanical keyboard. With a buttery smooth keystroke and low actuation force, you'll be smashing keys faster than ever. They're perfect for both gaming and typing, giving you that sweet spot between speed and control. Plus, they support 4-pin RGB, so your setup can look as good as it feels. Each pack comes with 110 switches. That's more than enough to cover your whole keyboard and have some spares for future tweaks. And let's not forget durability. These switches are built to last, ensuring your epic gaming marathons go uninterrupted. Ready to upgrade? Click the link and get your hands on the Gateron Milky Yellow switches now. Your fingers will thank you.